Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video we will discuss on the paste of oilseed and their management. Basically in this lecture let us understand the paste of the groundnut and their management. So basically groundnut, it is the major oilseed crop grown in India. So crop is prone to the attack by the number of insects as well as the non-insect pests. So far more than 50 species of pests they have been recorded on the case of the groundnut crop, of which few of them they are causing serious damage to the groundnut crop. Like here you can see aphid, leafhopper, thrips, and earwing and termite, root grub and defoliator and leaf miner, red-headed caterpillar, red-headed hairy caterpillar, tobacco caterpillar, gram caterpillar, leaf miner, and so on that. Now let understand this pest in the detail, particularly on like host range, adult identification, and some characteristic, biology, nature of the damage and damaging symptom, ETL level, and management practices. This is very important in point of view, your exam point of view के according this is very important, like host range, adult identification, character, biology, nature of damage, damaging symptoms, and ETL and management practices. ठीक, so हम इसी वे में स्टडी करेंगे. Now we will start with the thrips as you see in the picture. ठीक, thrips जो है basically here 3 species of the thrips are infesting the groundnut crop. One is the thrips palmi, second one is the Scirtothrips dorsalis, and third one is the Franklinia. ठीक है, स्कूल्ची मे बी प्रोनाउंसिएशन स्कूल्ची मे बी थोड़ा बहुत डिफरेंट हो सकता है, वो आप स्पेलिंग ध्यान रखना. All the 3 species belong to the family Thripidae of the order Thysanoptera. So here is the family is Thripidae and order is the Thysanoptera. They occur in the early stage of the crop. Now basically they occur in the early stage of the crop. Thrips, they are body elongated and wings जो हैं they are narrow with the fringe of the hair. Adult female they insert egg in the tissue of the leaf. Okay, this is the 3 species basically. And damaging stage जो है here nymph and adult. Now nymph and adults, they are the damaging stage. They lacerate and suck the oozing sap from the lower surface of the leaf, which causing the silvery white patches or spot on the upper surface of the leaf, followed by the curling and drying of the leaves. Besides direct damage, indirectly Thrips palmi and Franklinia, they act as a vector in the transmission of the peanut bud necrosis virus disease. So it is also a vector for the virus disease. Now coming to the management, set up the blue sticky trap at the rate 20 trap per acre. Now spray fungal pathogen like Lacnicilium lacni at the rate 2 to 5 gram per liter of water. Like spray commercial neem products containing the azadirachtin at the rate 2 ml per liter of water, or you can use NSKE at the rate 5% both. Now as a last option, you can spray any one of the insecticide which is mentioned in the picture, either imidacloprid or acetamiprid at the recommended dose. The formulation and doses is recommended here. Now the another major sucking pest on the groundnut, it is the leaf hopper. ठीक, Imposca cari, ठीक है, या Imposca cari. It belong to the family Cicadidae of the order Hemiptera. It also occur in the early stage of the crop, and hopper is a like pale green in a color, and wing shaped body. The body is wing shape. It move diagonally, and when disturbed, an adult female they insert egg into the tissue of the leaves. So here nymphs and adult are the damaging stage, same as the thrips. Like जो they suck the sap from the lower surface of the leaves, and they causing the like chlorotic degradation of the chlorophyll spot at the tip of the leaflets, and this chlorotic spots they appear like V shape, and under the severe infestation cases leaves turn to the reddish and the plant dry up to gradually. Okay, you can see V shape. Now we can see management. Spraying of the commercial neem products the containing the azadirachtin at the rate 2 ml per liter of water, or you can spray an SKE same at the rate 5%, and you can use any fungal pathogen which same for the in the case of the thrips at the rate 2 to 5 gram per liter of water. And as a last option you can spray insecticide same in case of the thrips, imidacloprid and acetamiprid at the recommended dose. And basically management practices are same for the sucking insects के लिए सेम है और like borer के लिए सेम रहते हैं, तो आपको एग्जाम में easy पड़ेगा ये चीज़. Now another major pest on the groundnut is a leaf miner, that is the Aproerema modicella. It belongs to the family Gellichidae of the order Lepidoptera. This is a borer. ठीक, usually it causes like 50% yield loss. So besides groundnut it also attacks soybean and red gram also. So like dry weather basically favor the multiplication of the paste. So here bunchy type of varieties are highly susceptible. There are two types of like variety, bunchy and spread in case of groundnut spreading types. So it's basically here bunchy type varieties are more susceptible as compared to the spreading type for this paste, and when compared to the like spreading types. So coming up to the adult identification, adult is very small moth. The dark brown to grayish brown in a color with a like white spot on the front wings. You can see adult female they lay eggs on the tender leaves on hatching like neonate larva mines into the epidermis of the leaf, and they feed within. Okay, so here the first two instars of the paste remain in the mine and they act as a leaf miner. That's why it's called leaf miner. The third instar larva come out from the mines and they webs the 2 to 3 leaves together and feed within by the like scraping of the chlorophyll content of the leaves, and as a result of which mines can be seen on the leaf like in form of the white blotches. So later it turned to the brown color, and like further webbing they can be seen on the plant, and under the severe infestation cases affected field look burn at a appearance. So this is the basically symptom of the leaf miner. You can see. Now coming to the ETL level, at the flowering 5 larvae or mines per plant. At the pod formation stage 10 larvae or mines per plant. At pod maturity stage 15 larvae or mines per plant. Then coming to the management, like as a preventive measure, go for the early and synchronized sowing to escape the incidence of this pest, and then go for crop rotation with non-leguminous crop, like to break up the life cycle of the paste. So then go for the intercropping with the permillet or cowpea in the ratio of 4:1. Then other preventive measures, they are avoid growing like bunchy type of variety, and then avoid water stress condition in irrigated crops, and lastly we set up the light traps, 1 trap per acre for mass trapping of the adult. Now then curative measures, passing the rope and passing the thorny plants on the crop and followed by the insecticide spray. Then spray same NSKE at the rate 5% or any commercial neem product which contain azadirachtin at the rate 2 ml per liter of water. As a last option, you can spray any of the insecticide, either spinosad, or in case of this leaf miner, you can use flobendamide or cyclothrin at the recommended dose. ठीक, मे बी थोड़ा प्रोनाउंसिएशन प्रॉब्लम होता है क्योंकि केमिकल्स के नेम हैं, ठीक, तो उसके लिए आई एम रियली सॉरी. Now another major pest on the groundnut, it is the red hairy caterpillar, that is albestriga, ठीक, या albestriga. It belong to the family Aribidae of the order Lepidoptera. It is a seasonal and endemic pest, not epidemic pest. So besides groundnut, it is also attack like sorghum, red gram, cowpea and sesamum. Adult can be easily identified like presence of like yellow streak and the costal margin of the front wing, and also on the identified by the head. And then coming to the in case of life cycle, here there are 4 life stages because they under in the Lepidoptera order, and one is egg stage and another one is larva, then pupal and adult stage. So here the adult female, they lay egg in the masses or in a row of the leaves, a row on the leaves. Then larva, their head in red in color and body is like covered with the hairs totally, and hence the name red hairy caterpillar. Pupation occur in the soil and complete about 2 generation in a year. So 2 generation per year. This is the life cycle. Now coming to the nature of damage, larva, it is the damaging stage, and neonate larva, they feed gregariously by the scraping the chlorophyll content of the leaf from the lower surface of the leaf. So like leaving upper epidermal layer, they remain intact, and as the larvae grow, they spread to entire field and voraciously, and when the food is exhausted in the field, they move to the another field in large number, like they causing defoliation of the plant under the severe infestation cases. So the damaged field, they appear as if it is grazed by like cattle, ठीक है, it appear like grazed by cattle. And ETL level 2 larva, you can see damage symptom, basically grazed, you can see it look like a grazed by the cattles. Now ETL level is 2 larvae per meter row or 8 egg masses per 100 meter row. Then the management as a monitoring, set up light traps or bonfire, and then as a preventive measure, go for deep summer ploughing to expose the mature stage to hot sunlight or to the insectivorous birds. Now then grow cowpea or sesamum or red gram as an intercrop, and then as a curative measures, collect the egg masses as well as early star stages since they are in grub, and destroy them, and thereby you can reduce the further multiplication of the pest. So even you can collect the grown up larvae from the field and destroy them also. Then you can use curative measures make the trenches along the field and around the field, and like dust the trenches with insecticide like the phenolate and malathion to kill the larva, or dust the crop with malathion 5% D at the rate 8 kg per acre, or like phenolate 0.4 D at the rate 8 to 10 kg per acre. Or you can go for application of like poison bat at the rate 50 kg per hectare. Now Now tobacco caterpillar, this topic will be continue in my next video क्योंकि टॉपिक बहुत लेंदी हो जाएगा. ठीक, सो थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग टू दिस वीडियो.